How to fix hairline crack in windshield. Fixing a hairline crack in a windshield starts with acting quickly to prevent the damage from spreading. Clean the cracked area with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth, making sure no dirt or moisture is trapped inside. Use a windshield repair kit, which typically includes resin, an applicator, and curing strips. Position the applicator over the crack, inject the resin until it fills the damaged area, then cover it with a curing strip. Let the resin cure in direct sunlight or under a UV light, then scrape off any excess with a razor blade. This process restores strength to the glass and reduces the crack's visibility, but results may vary depending on the crack's length and depth. In Orange County, temperature changes and frequent driving on busy roads can make hairline cracks grow faster due to vibration and thermal stress. Addressing the problem early helps avoid a full windshield replacement and maintains your vehicle's safety. Professional services often deliver better, longer-lasting results by using high-grade resins and specialized repair tools. At OC Auto Glass Repair, we repair small cracks before they have the chance to spread. We come directly to your location in Orange County, using industry-approved materials and techniques to ensure a strong, clean repair. By fixing the crack early, we help you save money, preserve your windshield, and drive with confidence. Call OC Auto Glass Repair at 949-4279-211 or visit www.ocautoglassrepair.net.